to finish my, guys, taking a shower, taking a bath. Ayan, guys. So, ayan. Fresh na ako, guys. Ayan, diba? Fresh. So, this is my pambahay outfit for today, guys. Ayan. A crop top na nabili ko, guys, for 30 pesos. Ayan, may turno to siya, guys. Ayan, partneran ko siya ng short. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Fresh na ako. I really love it. Ayan, guys. So, ayan. Dahil nagutom ako, guys, let's eat apple. So yummy. Ay, guys, ang tamis niya, guys. Ayan. Nabili ko siya yesterday. 50 each. 50 each, guys, kasi ang laki niya. At ang tamis niya. Super tamis. One of my favorite fruits, the apple. So yummy. Let's eat. My merienda. Masarap nga. Doing exercises to bigger my legs. This is my guys, my daily exercises, my kind of workouts at home. Yeah, legs exercise and shoulder exercise to make my body fit, to make my legs bigger, to make my hips bigger, to make my shoulder thin. Yeah. Workout at home. Ayan, so I'm finished. I'm finished, guys.